This is the Eufy Solocam S340. If you're looking to buy or upgrade your security camera, you're in the right place. I bought this recently to replace my existing Google Nest camera, and hand on heart, it's the best buy I've made in quite a while. Let me go through the things I like about it and you'll see why I'm so impressed with it. If you wanted one and just one reason to get this, it's no subscription fees ever. With Google, I was paying £80 a year. With the Eufy, £0. And for the cynics out there, how can Eufy do it for free? I thought there was a catch too and asked AI for the answer. Companies like Google or Ring are cloud companies. They make money from cloud subscriptions. Eufy, on the other hand, is owned by Anker. You know, Anker, the one who makes great power banks and headphones. They want to sell you the camera, not lock you into a monthly fee. And with the money I'm saving each year, the camera has basically paid for itself. Installation was an absolute dream. After upgrading my Wi-Fi router, I tried to change my Wi-Fi details on the Google camera, but oh no, that would be too boring for Google. They don't allow that. You need to disconnect the whole unit and reinstall it just to change the Wi-Fi. With Eufy, install the app, scan the QR code on the back of the camera, then use the camera to scan a QR code that's on the app, and it's done. Literally, the whole process was done in 5 minutes. And physical installation was just as easy. It was so well thought out. They even give you a drilling template. Attach the solar panel and screw it into the wall. Job done. The longest part of my actual installation was deciding where to put the camera in the first place. The camera has 8 GB of integrated storage, so no extra cost or messing around doing research on what SD card will fit. This battery camera comes as a package with the solar panel, so no drilling through walls, no long trailing cables, and no need to remove the camera every few weeks to charge the battery. It only needs 2 hours of sunlight to top up the battery, and if you're worried about adequate sunlight, no need. This is my north facing wall and it still gets more than enough sunlight. The simplest way to install the solar panel is to mount it directly on top of the camera, or use the longer included cable if you want to position it elsewhere. Camera quality. There's a big upgrade in camera quality. My Google Nest camera resolution was only 1080p. The Eufy 340 is 3K, and you can go from 1x zoom to 3x zoom and still clearly see an intruder's face or a car license plate. The night vision is pretty good too. My neighbour asked me recently for my nighttime Google camera footage as I had a burglary, but my video quality was so bad in low light, I almost couldn't make out the vehicle make, let alone any license plate. But with the Eufy, you can turn on the spotlight manually or have it activate automatically when it detects motion. This is with the spotlight on and off. How many cameras can move, swivel and turn the camera lens and track a person or object? This one can. Okay, by now you can probably tell I'm genuinely smitten by the camera. So much so that I even went out and bought another one for the back garden. The only downside, if I have to be really picky, I would say it's the bracket. Eufy have made the installation so easy, but that also means the camera is easy to remove. You just pinch the top of the hinge and it slides off. Not a problem if the camera is mounted high up, but at ground level it is a slight concern. But the good news is there are a lot of aftermarket anti-theft add-ons you can get that make stealing the camera a lot harder. So there you have it. The key advantages of this camera that I could think of. There's a lot more I like about it, but that would make for a very long video. And I feel these features already show how good the camera is.